Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn English for taking taxis. If you travel to English-speaking countries, you will need to take taxis. Maybe to the airport, to your hotel, or to a restaurant. Are you ready? Let's begin!
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Where are you going today?
To the airport, please. The international terminal.
The international terminal. No problem. Do you have luggage?
Yes, I have 2 suitcases. Can you help me with them?
Of course. I'll put them in the trunk. All set. Please, get in.
Thank you.
We will arrive in about 30 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, are you available?
Yes, I am. Where do you need to go?
To the city center, near the shopping mall.
Okay. No problem.
How much will it cost?
About $25 to $30, depending on traffic.
Okay. Can I pay by credit card?
Yes. Of course. I take cash and cards.
Perfect. Let's go.
What's the exact address?
It's 42 Oak Street.
Oak Street. Okay. I'm putting it in the GPS now. The GPS shows 2 Oak Streets. Is it Oak Street East or Oak Street West?
Oak Street West.
Got it. Thank you. We're on Oak Street West now. What's the building number again?
Number 42. It's on the right side next to a coffee shop.
Next to a coffee shop. Okay, I see it. Is this the place?
Yes, this is it. Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, can you stop here, please?
Sure, right here?
Yes, in front of the pharmacy. Can you wait for me? I need to go inside for 5 minutes.
Okay, no problem. I'll wait here.
Thank you. I'll be quick. Sorry for the wait. I'm ready now.
No worries. Where to next?
To the train station, please.
Got it. There's a lot of traffic on the highway today.
Oh, really? How long will it take?
Maybe 40 minutes this way, but I know a different route. It's a little longer, but faster because there's no traffic.
How much longer is the other route?
About 5 extra minutes of driving, but we'll save 15 minutes total.
Okay, let's take the faster route.
Good choice. We'll go through the side streets.
Thank you. I have a meeting at 2 p.m., so I need to arrive on time.
Don't worry. We'll get you there. Here we are. This is your destination.
Perfect. How much is it?
The fare is $18.50.
Okay, can I pay with my phone? I have Apple Pay.
Yes, you can tap it on this reader.
Done. Can I also add a tip?
Sure. You can add it on the screen.
I added $3. Is that okay?
Yes, thank you very much. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. You were very helpful. Thank you for the ride.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
You too.
Hi, I called for a taxi 10 minutes ago. Are you here for Lisa?
Yes. Lisa, right? Welcome. Do you have luggage?
Yes, I have 3 big suitcases and 1 backpack.
3 suitcases. That's a lot. Let me help you.
Thank you so much. They're very heavy.
No problem. That's what I'm here for. Okay, all your bags are in the trunk. Are you ready to go?
Yes. To the Grand Hotel on Main Street, please.
Grand Hotel. Got it. Let's go.
Hello, I'm in a bit of a hurry. My flight leaves in 1 hour.
1 hour? Okay, we need to be quick. Where are you flying from?
Terminal 2 at the airport?
Terminal 2. Don't worry. I'll take the express route. We can make it.
Thank you. I really can't miss this flight.
I understand. I'll drive as fast as safely possible. We're almost there. See? We made good time.
Oh, thank goodness. Thank you so much for hurrying.
You're welcome. Good luck with your flight.
Excuse me, I think we're going the wrong way.
Really? Let me check the GPS. Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. I took the wrong turn.
It's okay. Can we turn around?
Yes, I'll make a U-turn at the next street.
How much longer will it take now?
About 5 extra minutes. I'm really sorry about this.
That's okay. Mistakes happen.
Okay, we're back on the right route now.
Great. Thank you for fixing it.
And don't worry, I won't charge you for the extra time.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind.
Excuse me, are you waiting for a taxi too?
Yes, I am. Where are you going?
To downtown near Fifth Avenue.
I'm going to 7th Avenue. That's very close.
Would you like to share a taxi? We can split the fare.
That's a great idea. Sure, let's do it.
Hi, we'd like to share this taxi. Is that okay?
Sure, no problem. Where are you both going?
I'm going to Fifth Avenue and Park Street.
And I'm going to 7th Avenue and Main Street.
Okay. I'll drop off at 5th Avenue first, then 7th Avenue. Get in. Here we are, 5th Avenue.
Perfect. How much is my share?
The fare to here is $12. You can pay half of the total when we finish, or just pay your portion now.
I'll pay my $12 now. Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you for the ride. Have a good day, both of you.
You too. Bye.
Congratulations! You just learned 10 real English conversations for taxi rides.